Good morning, students. Today's topic is propagation of microorganisms in food. So we'll discuss about different propagation processes. So what are the processes of foodborne microorganisms? Microorganisms may be found everywhere in a wide range of habitats. Many microorganisms is the atmosphere suspended in the air. The atmosphere forms an important way for the spread of many microorganisms and later its contaminations of food. What are the sources of foodborne? So because human-borne resources are of plant and animal origin, it is important to understand the biological principle of microbial biota associated with plants and animals in their natural habitats and respective roles. The sources of foodborne microorganisms are microorganisms as agents of food spoilage or food poisoning. It will be necessary to examine the natural flora of the food materials themselves. The flora introduced by processing and handling and the possibility of chance contamination from the atmosphere, soil or water. So airborne bacteria are bacterial habitats we will discuss. The bacteria can grow in the atmosphere, but they may be exposed to falling destructive agents such as radiant energy of the sun, chemical activity or gaseous oxygen. So, airborne bacteria are the bacterial flora can be shown to be dominated by gram-positive rods and cocci unless there has been a very recent contamination of the air by an aerosol generated from an animal or human source or from water. So what are airborne bacteria's characteristics? The pigmented colonies will often be micrococci or colony bacteria. The large white to cream colored colonies will be of aerobic superforming rod of the genus Bacillus. So the filamentous bacteria belonging to Streptomyces or related genus of Actinomycetes. The air of farmyard barns may contain many millions of spores of Actinomycetes per cubic meter and some species such as Thermoactinomyces vulgaris and Micropolyspora feni can cause the disease known as farmer's lung. So airborne bacteria are the pigment may protect microorganisms from damage by both visible and ultraviolet radiation of sunlight. Also, thick cell wall of gram-positive bacteria afford protection from drying. The endospores of Bacillus and the conidiospores of Streptomyces are resistant to damaging effects of suspension in the air. So, we'll discuss about airborne fungi. Some of the most important modes in food microbiology do not have active spores dispersal mechanism, but produce large number of small, non-vegetable spores which are resistant to drying and light damage. They become airborne in the same way as fine drying dust particle by physical disturbance and wind spores of penicillium and get aspergillus seem to get everywhere and they are responsible for food spoilage. The sporophores of fungi such as Cladosporium react by throwing their easily detached spores into the atmosphere. These species such as Cladosporium herbarum grow well at refrigeration temperatures and form black colonies on the surface of food such as chilled meat. So airborne fungi many fungi have mechanisms for firing their spores into the atmosphere, which requires a high relative humidity. Yeast, which are a part of normal microbial food flora of the leaf surface of plant, are usually present in highest number in the atmosphere, and the humidity is at its highest. So we'll discuss about microorganism of soil. The soil environment is extremely complex and different soils have their own diverse flora of bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and animals. So the soil is a rich place of microorganisms, that is, it provides many of strains used for the industrial production of antibiotics, enzymes, amino acids, and vitamins, and other products used in both pharmaceutical and food industry. So soil microorganisms participate in the recycling of organic and nitrogenous compound, which is essential of the soil to support the active growth of plants. So what are the microorganisms of water? The fresh water and sea contain many species of microorganisms adapted to habitats. Marine bacteria are described as oligotrophic cytophiles with a requirement for sodium chloride for optimum growth. The surface of fish in cold water have a bacterial flora which can break down macromolecules such as protein, polysaccharides, and lipids. Under such conditions, once a flora has reached between 7 power 7, 10 to the power 7 and 10 to the power 8, it could be responsible for the spoilage. So this is all about the propagation of microorganisms in